So guys, we got some coconut shakes. They came in this beautiful little coconuts. Very nice and cool setting. We're having our lunch over here in Krabi. Krabi, but on Railay beach. And this is the main Railay West beach, guys. So now we're gonna have our lunch over here. They're staying on the island. Most people come for a day trip, but it's a really nice experience here. So that's our food has just arrived. This is pad thai and this is tom yum soup, and pad thai, which is chicken and noodles with our coconuts and a beautiful view. Chicken and rice. Wow, this looks fabulous. Chicken and rice, and they have like some crispy onions on top.
Crisp.